Hi guys! In this video, we're going to learn some very clever tricks to calculate the product of numbers with 9 or 5 in them. If you master these tricks, you can solve the problems in a few seconds. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell button to turn on notifications, because more incredible content is on its way. Okay, let's get started. First, I will show you how to multiply any number by 9, 99, 999, or 9,999. Let's look at the first example. 4 times 9,999. Multiply 1 9 by 4 and get 36. Next, we put the 3 in the first and the 6 in the last position. Then we put the other 3 9s in the middle and get 39,996. That's the answer. It's just so simple and fast, right? Let's look at another example. 7 times 999. Multiply 1 9 by 7 and get 63. We put 6 in the first and 3 in the last position. Then we put the other 2 9s in the middle and get 6,993. And just like that, we're all done. Then how do you calculate 6 times 99? It's the same process. Multiply 1 9 by 6 and get 54. We put 5 in the first and 4 in the last position. Then we put the other 9 in the middle and get 594. You can use this method to calculate any one-digit number multiplied by 9, 99, 999, or 9,999, and so on. Now let's look at something which is a little bit different. 888 times 9. Multiplying 9 by 8 and get 72, we put 7 in the first and 2 in the last position. We still have 2 8s, but instead of putting these 2 8s in the answer, we put 2 9s in the middle of the answer. So the answer is 7,992. Let's look at another problem. 3,333 times 9. Multiply 9 by 3 and get 27. We put 2 and 7 in the first and last position. We still have 3 3s, but we don't put them in the answer. Instead, we put 3 9s in the middle of the answer, which is 29,997. Now we're all done. It's just amazing, right? If you want to multiply multi-digit numbers and every digit is the same, like 22, 333, or 5,555 by 9, you can use this method to get the answer really quickly. You may notice we used our knowledge of multiplying one-digit numbers to solve the previous problems. If you're not familiar with it, please check out the link in the description. It helps a lot. Similar to the number 9, number 5 has a special trick as well. It helps to do the multiplying simple and fast. Let's look at the first example. 322 times 5. We all know 5 equals 10 divided by 2. So, in this case, we can calculate 322 divided by 2 first, and then multiply the rest by 10 to get the final answer. 322 divided by 2 is 161. Then we just put a 0 after 161 and get the final result of 1,610. This method can be used in calculating the product of any number in 5. The next example, 64 times 25, we all know 25 equals 100 divided by 4. So using our new multiplying trick, we can calculate 64 divided by 4 first, and then we multiply the rest by 100 to get the final answer. 64 divided by 4 is 16. Then just put 2 zeros after 16 and get the result of 1,600. This method can be used in calculating the product of any number in 25. Now we'll look at the last example. 48 times 125. It may look more complicated, but if you understand the tricks we taught you, it'll be very simple. Just remember that 125 equals 1,000 divided by 8. So we will calculate 48 divided by 8 first, and then multiply the rest by 1,000 and get the final answer. 48 divided by 8 is 6. Then we put 3 zeros after 6 and get the answer 6,000. That's it. This method is even quicker than using a calculator. Okay, That's all for today. Please keep doing more exercises. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, leave your comments below or email us at question@beat-math.com. We will try to answer your questions in a future video, and the most common question will be given priority in our next video. See you next time!